Hi, this is Jeff Bowler with Vision One Real Estate. Today we're going to preview 905 West 77th Street in Indianapolis. It's a beautiful home. It was built in the 60s, but it has since been redone. It's right off of Hoover Road, which is one road off of Spring Mill. And this house has got a lot of unique characteristics to it. One, it's on a double lot, which is really nice because it's huge as far as the amount of acreage. Over a half acre, it's 0.6. And so you could do a lot of things as far as adding on if you wanted to, but there's plenty of room in the house for a family. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's just over 1,800 square feet. So as you come in, you can see nice ceramic tile. House has been completely painted everywhere. This area right here is a living room. You could make it whatever you want, but certainly it's very nice since it's right off the kitchen. You got nice big windows here. And then you also have a nice wood burning fireplace with a nice mantle. Ceramic floors from the entry all the way through to the kitchen, same ceramic floor. You have a nice little island here. We're having an open house, hence the cookies. And then there is the dining room, which I will show you here in just a little bit, but nice little pantry area, plenty of cabinets. And then you have this nice little kind of greenhouse right here that extends out of this window, which is a nice area for plants. Then right off of the kitchen is the door, coat closet, and very big laundry room. As you can see, it's got a tub, wash tub in it, which is really nice. A lot of room in here. And then right off of it, you have a bonus room, which is set up right now as an exercise room. And then you have another door off of it that goes outside. And so a lot of possibilities here. And then there's also another storage closet right there. So, and then all your utilities are right here. And as you come back in, the rest of the home is hardwood. So this is your formal dining room area here, which is really nice. Nicely decorated. Very cute. And then this is your family room area. You have a patio door. It's actually really nice because it's 3 panes of glass, but the middle opens. And then you have the backyard, which is huge. You have a nice deck here. And then that fence doesn't even encompass the entire backyard, which is awesome. So A lot of different possibilities that you could do back there. Put a pool back there if you wanted. So off the family room are all of the bedrooms. Like I said, we've got 3 bedrooms, and they are 12 by 11, 14 by 11, and then 14 by 11. So wood floors throughout, which is really nice. First bedroom, ceiling fan. And then the bathrooms, both bathrooms have been redone with new ceramic, cabinet work, and other shower work. So very nice. And then hallway. You do have a whole house attic fan, which is, back in the day, that was great. It's still great. It's just, you don't see them very much anymore. It does cool the house down immediately. This is second bedroom, pretty big. I think it's as big as this, their master. So 14 by 11 for the master, and then 14 by 11 in that bedroom. Again, the ceiling fan. Everything's been painted inside, and then nice new flooring in here with a double vanity that they put in. Very nice. Lighting. Did some work on the shower. And then the other part of the bathroom. So really nice job that they did here. Like I said, every room's got ceiling fans, and it's been impeccably done. So I hope that you will take a look at this house. Please come and see it, or call me at 317-490-3206. Look forward to seeing you soon.